Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Class 35. Today, we'll understand stroke in Adobe Illustrator in a quick and simple way.
Stroke is the outer border of a shape. The inside color is fill, and the outer line is stroke. Go to Window and open the Stroke panel for settings. The most important setting is weight. Weight controls the thickness of the line. 1 pt is thin, 10 pt is bold. Cap controls the ends of a line. You can choose round, straight, or projecting ends. Corner controls the style where two lines meet. Sharp, round, or bevel options are available. You can align the stroke to the center, inside, or outside. With the dashed line option, you can create dotted or broken lines. Use Outline Stroke from the Object menu if you want to convert the stroke into a shape. Arrow keys on your keyboard, you can move your object. If you select a shape and press the right arrow, it will move slightly to the right. By using Uniform, we can apply the stroke to any path in our design, and it keeps the thickness sharp, clean, and consistent throughout.